So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove an item from your favorites list here on Etsy. So once you have Etsy opened up, if you wanted to add an item to your favorites list, let's just go to home favorites for an example here. I will go to glassware sets as an example. And if I wanted these wonderful cups right here, I'll press on that. Now to add it to your favorites list, go ahead and check on or press on this heart. Now it's added to your favorites. So to view your favorites, go here to the top right, press on favorites. Now you have it here. Now if you want to remove it from your list, it's very straightforward. Right where it says the heart right here, I want you to hover over top of that and press on the heart. And where it says add to collection, simply go ahead and make sure this is unchecked right here. Press on done. Now it's not gone right away, but it is removed. So if you were to go ahead and we'll just actually refresh the screen right here, your favorites are now they're gone. You don't have any favorites here. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to remove an item from your favorites list here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.